Everybody, thanks for watching, and yeah, it's good to be back. For those of you who know already, lost my dad. Dad passed away. It's something you can never really be prepared for when you lose a mom or dad or something like that. It's tough. Affects everybody different depending on your relationship. But it was just so many issues that occurred with just Merkabah Academy, tax issues, dealing with freaking IRS and stuff like that, and just everything that comes with running a company. And, what it takes for me to really run Merkabah Academy and do everything I've been doing over the years. Like a lot of people don't understand, we just watch shit. We don't really know what happens behind the scenes for a lot of things. But, you can understand just business wise when you're doing something that takes in money, you get people get jealous, they get greedy. And I talked about this before. You can't really expect people to give up their time and their dreams and goals to help you pursue yours, or to put energy into what you're doing, or believe in 100% in what you do. Stuff like this requires volunteers and nonprofit and stuff like that, because it's not like I'm bringing in a whole bunch of money to pay people to support or pay people to help, so on and so forth. So it's really on the strength and, on the strength of what we can do or how we can pay people or help people to keep things going. So that's why I always appreciate, everybody that purchases and supports anything I've ever done. But it's a lot to that. And it's one of the reasons why we talk about supporting each other and, people that just don't understand what goes into keeping something going. And the minute you talk about money, it's all about money, or you're just trying to scam people, or it's about money, about this and that. And a lot of people don't understand what it takes. So it's been a process. And, if I ever thought that, there wasn't paying attention to what I do or what I'm doing is not, making a difference, I found out over the last month how this shit really works and how they really stop us and hinder us and keep us from moving forward with what we're doing. This all has to do a lot with what's happening with Kanye, which I'm going to talk about on Merkabah Academy, because he's basically going to be used to usher in this new understanding of how we're going to be putting out information. And a lot of people are going to have to make a choice and really pay attention to what's being said. We're going to get into this because it has to do with a lot of us, with anybody who's putting out this type of content. And he's saying some stuff that's like, man, why does it take so long for somebody to say this? It's shit I've been saying, but it's like, for somebody mainstream to be putting it out like that, think about that. Like I said, they don't give us stuff they don't want us to know. And this is something that we already understand. But, I know Merkabah Academy was down. You couldn't get anything off Podia. It's a lot of stuff that happened with that. So also with books, going to be shipping out books tomorrow. If you order the book, you will get your book. I promise you that. I apologize and I appreciate the patience. Been saying this for a while, but a lot of stuff got hindered. It's a lot of personal shit and stuff that got into in a way. And yeah, I know what people are going to say, but it is what it is. But I appreciate those of you who reached out and was concerned about my well-being and concerned about what's been taking place and why I haven't posted anything. And I appreciate the support. It's been a crazy month, and I've been running around and doing what I have to do and taking care of business. But you get kind of sidetracked, and a lot goes into this, as I said. And when you get people falling off and no support, then it's tough to keep something like this going versus keeping the lights on, paying bills and stuff that you really have to do in your real life. Real shit, behind the scenes that people just don't really understand. And, it's been crazy, but, I want you guys to really, pay attention to what's going on. It's the end of the year. Winter is coming. Big change coming, as I've been saying, and it's one of the reasons why I'm back now, because I've been watching and paying attention to, just how stuff is unfolding. And, it's right on par with what I've been talking about. So if you have access, make sure you guys go over there to Merkabah Academy and check out the new video. Also, for you guys to hit me up about Never Pay Again membership, I'm going to put it back up at this price because I know everything disappeared before. Also, again, if you have Podia access, you can go back on there. Everything is back up there. If you have any issues with it, send me an email. But yeah, put the sale back up here for the next couple of days. Make sure you guys take advantage of it. And I appreciate the support as always. But I talked about, censorship and what's happening with information, how it's going to be put out. I mean, just pay attention to how, they was able to really use the algorithm to silence any information about talking about Corona. They was able to pick up on it. I talked about this before. Anything that they want you to not understand, they can stop you from hearing about it. So you gotta pay attention to what is filtered through and what we do hear and what we do see. And as I always say, that's what they want us to know. That's what they want us to hear for a reason. It's a game. But we're gonna get into this in Merkabah Academy. So yeah, make sure you guys go over there and check that video out. I will be back on YouTube to post more videos coming this week, but I want to put this video out real quick just to let people know I'm back. A lot more information coming, and I apologize for leaving for so long, but I'll get into that over on Merkabah Academy in that video and talk about why, what's going on. I'm not going to get into it here, but yeah. So, see you guys over there at Merkabah Academy, and thanks for watching.